In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Semrush course effectively, giving you quick access to a wealth of digital marketing knowledge in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you want to do is search for the Semrush Academy. Open your preferred browser and type Semrush Academy into the search bar. This will take you to the official site where you can access a variety of courses tailored to enhance your digital marketing skills. Once you've located the correct site, go ahead and log in. The next step is an easy one. You'll need to visit the Semrush Academy page. This is your main hub for learning and contains all the courses available to you. Spend a little time here exploring the offerings, as Semrush provides a broad range of topics to suit different expertise levels and interests within the digital marketing space. Now, you're ready to take the plunge. On the course page, you'll see an Enroll or Start Learning button. Clicking this will officially sign you up for the course. If you're visiting for the first time, this might be the point where the system prompts you to create an account. Signing up is straightforward and typically requires your basic information. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials and you're all set to go. The Semrush Academy provides a comprehensive learning experience. Their courses include an array of video lessons, detailed scripts, and additional resources. Each module is designed to make learning as interactive and enriched as possible, catering to different learning styles. Feel free to dive into the video lessons where expert instructors break down complex concepts into easy, digestible pieces. Keep an eye out for accompanying scripts and supplementary materials, which are great references as you progress. Upon completion of your course, you've got one more step. You'll be prompted to take a certification exam. This is where you can really showcase everything you've learned. The test will evaluate your understanding and application of the course material. So take your time reviewing the content. Be thorough and confident in utilizing what you've learned. Following these steps will get you well on your way to mastering digital marketing using Semrush's comprehensive guides. Whether you're a beginner looking to start or a seasoned professional wanting to keep up with the latest trends, Semrush Academy has something for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck as you embark on your learning journey with Semrush. Remember, equipping yourself with these digital marketing tools not only enhances your skills, but also opens doors to endless opportunities in this ever-evolving industry. Happy learning!